Hello, smart kids! Get your notebooks and pens ready and sit down in front of the screen. Today we will learn the letters GHI with you. Are you ready? Let's start!
Let's start. Let's drag the letters. G.
Guitar. Guitar.
G. G. Good job. G.
Guitar. Guitar.
G.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
G. Well done. Let's build the Good job. G is for
Guitar.
Let's write the letters. G. G. Nice! Wow! G. 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 Let's drag the letters. H.
Horse. Horse.
H. H. Good job. H.
Horse. Horse.
H.
Hat. Hat.
H. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Nice! H is for hat. Let's write the letters. H. H. Smart. Good one. H. 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 Let's drag the letters. I.
Iguana. Iguana.
I. Smart. I.
Iguana. Iguana.
I.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
I. Well done. Let's build. Good job. I is for
Ice cream.
Let's write the letters. I. Smart.
Nice! I, 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 Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. G, 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 H, 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 I. Well done. Which letter do you hear? G. G. Great! H. H. Good job. I. Nice! H. H. Well done. Choose the correct uppercase letter. G. Great! H. Good job. I. Good job. B. Good job. Well done. Find the similar letters. I. Nice. H. Nice. G. Good job. Well done. Which letter do you hear? I. Great! I. Good job. H. H. Nice. G. Well done. Find the missing letter. Hat. H. Hat. Guitar. G. Guitar. Iguana. I. Iguana. Cat. C. Cat. Well done.
Smart kids! If you liked the video lesson, click like and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video lessons. You are very smart kids!